Today from a Missy Van Moritz crew. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a front wheel bearing so you can see us fly playing them. Step 1. We're going to need some pliers and carefully remove a slip pin from a bolt. Step 2, we're going to need waxy and a 17mm and remove the castellated bolt. It's called that because it looks like a top of a castle. Step 3, remove an axle and remove a wheel all the way down. Step 4, remove the front brake assembly. And now the front wheel is free from a bike. With a pick to remove a rubber washer. And with a pick push, then we push a bearing out. So, with the bearings removed, wipe away all of the old grease. Look! With a bearing races clean, we'll apply some grease. Tip, put the bearings in a freezer for a few hours. Here's my prepared area. Get the bearings and put it in air. And with a socket a same diameter as the bearings, tap it into place carefully. Repeat either side. Don't forget to install either axle. Fill a bearing dirt cover with grease and install. With the front wheel removed, it's worth checking a front brake pads. As it's great and it's got plenty of life left in them. Right, with a bearing done, fit a swung brake on and reassemble a bike. Don't forget to like and subscribe.